not very liquid and you still want to get banging skin, I'm telling you that it's possible. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking, and I hope you stay. And if you're not, thank you so much for coming back. I'm going to be showing you guys my affordable skincare routine. Now, first of all, we going to heaven on a budget. Like, we doing everything on a budget because coins are not easy to come by, period. Okay, and of course, and they work so well, like so well. I have makeup on right now, so obviously you can't tell, you know, but trust me. But I'm going to give you guys like the price point, so that's why we're here essentially. Okay, so like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Twitter, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below of what next you want to see, and let's get started. The first thing I have with me is this Soulmate makeup removing micellar solution and face. So after I go in with an actual soap, I use this to go in again before I use my toner, just to like make sure that there's nothing. You guys, this thing is 800 Naira. I'm not joking. I cannot remember the exact prices because I don't have the receipts with me, but I can give you guys an estimate on the prices. But this thing is 800 Naira and it feels so good, and it's one of those micellar waters that don't sting you. It literally takes off everything, breaks down makeup very well. I highly recommend it. Next thing I have is this tea tree daily use cleansing foaming face wash. You guys, this thing is a die-hard staple for me. I have acne prone skin, and currently I have acne, right? And just like scarring and all of that. You guys, this thing, like, all I have to do is wash my face consistently with this for 2-3 days and I will begin to see immense improvements. This thing is 1.5. I just want you guys to know that you don't have to, you know, buy expensive stuff. You don't have to break the bank. I mean, obviously, like, all those things are, you know, good when you have the luxury to afford them. But if you're on the budget, if you're, you know, not very liquid and you still want to get banging skin, I'm telling you that it's possible because this thing comes through. Like, if you are acne prone, if you have oily skin and you want to get all the oils off of your skin, I highly recommend this. Another thing I got was this Boots Cucumber whitening cleanser and toner. Now this is a toner. This is a new purchase. I just started using this, and you guys, yes, I am seeing results. One day I was getting ready for work. I'm like, hold on, where are all the scars exactly gone? Yo, like, I don't think I'm necessarily getting fairer. I'm not, but my scars are fading. I really recommend. I can't remember exactly how much this was, but I know it was below 2,000 Naira. I've used it for a hot minute and I like it. Yes, it works. It's fading. Like, you guys, I can't wait for the, my ass needs to be consistent though, but I can't wait for you guys to see like the proper results when I actually do my skincare routine. Another thing that I highly recommend is this face mask. This is the beauty formula with activated charcoal. Now this says everything it says it does, honestly. I use this once or twice a week, usually when I'm like during the weekends when I'm doing like long chores, so you can just stay on my face for a while. It's so good. I believe this was under 3K. I'm not sure if it was under 1.5, but I'm pretty sure it was under 3K, and I really love it. Some of my faves use this, so I recommend it as well. And if you're looking for a clean mask that, you know, takes off impurities, I really like it. It really does what it says it's gonna do, and it's really inexpensive. You don't have to spend a lot of money on it. So if you're looking to get a good clay mask at a very affordable price, definitely check this out. So another thing I recommend is this TM's Essential Luminous Moisturizer. You guys, I've used this thing for months at this point, and yo, this cream, this thing, the reason I've used this thing for months is like it literally won like squirt. Oh my god, you see that one squirt can go a long way. Moisturizer is thick, it's heavy. I really love the consistency of it. It leaves your face feeling so good. And this was for only, well, when I got it, it was for 3k, but on the TM's Essential website, this is 3.5. I got it from an IG vendor and there was a discount, so that's probably why I got it for 3k. But yeah, I love it so much. The consistency on this, I went to check because I'm about to restock on this because I'm running out, but they don't have a bigger bottle, they just have this mini. Guys, this thing is so good. I found a good product in this. This moisturizer is so good. I have not been able to find a moisturizer, you know, that replaces this, so I'm just going to purchase this one. Alright guys, so the next thing I have for you guys is this argan oil night repair serum. You guys, first of all, the packaging gives me Estee Lauder, but you guys, this thing is so thick. This was a recent purchase and I've been using it. I love how it feels on my face. It has this very cooling sensation. It's not like cold, but it has a kind of sensation that I really like. And this thing was under 1.5, I believe, because this is a smaller bottle. There is a bigger bottle of this. Honestly, for the amount of product in here, I don't know if you guys can see how much I've used out of it. There's a lot of product in here, and for how many times you get to use it, I feel like this is good. And for the price points, amazing. Okay, I really recommend this. You should definitely try it if you're looking to get a good night serum, because I found one and I'm keeping it. Something else I recommend is this tea tree essential oil. Now, if you're acne prone or you have acne, you know that this is a staple. If you have acne, you know that you should not be a stranger to tea tree. And if you are, hello, I'm putting you on this thing. Literally, I will not say cure, but it literally puts acne under control. When you have like bumps or when you have, you know, new breakouts, this puts it under control. Yo, these two guys together do whoa. It's crazy. I really like this. This is the raw 100% tea tree. But right now, I just put this directly on my skin, and what happens is that initially it's like it stings. It's not overbearing, but initially it stings, and then after that it kind of just has like a tingling, cooling sensation. I really like this. If you have acne and you don't use tea tree, girl, you are doing wrong. Like, get on this. This thing is so good. But this was under 1.5. I'm pretty sure this was under 1.5. Get your hands on it. So something else is this Nivea Hydro Care Lip Balm. You guys, this thing, first of all, smells so nice. I love it. And second of all, it feels even better. Now, I think I got this for under 1.5 or under 2k. I'm not sure it's under 1.5, but I'm pretty sure it's under 2k. You guys, this thing, first of all, look at the amount of product in this thing. You get what I'm saying? Like, this is the amount of product. You can use this for months. I don't care how you moisturize your lips, you can use this for months. Like, I'm really happy I got this. So I got this. I highly recommend it. It's so good and it's so budget friendly. Like, you don't need a chapstick worth 50k to walk around. Like, what if you misplace it? You know, like it. So if you see this, get your hands on it. It's really good quality, and yeah, I like it. The last thing I purchased for this jade rollers. Now, I purchased this on AliExpress about some 3 years ago, and I actually got this and the washer, but the washer broke, so I only have the jade rollers. I got this for 1,000 Naira, guys. So if you need all these tools, Amazon be pricing you, just go to AliExpress, baby. You would be able to get this. When I feel puffy, I use this side when I feel puffy on my face, just to like go over my face. And then this is just for like when I put, you know, skincare and I just want to rub it in a bit more. I use this one. Alright guys, so that's it for my skincare routine. Now obviously these products are peculiar to just my face. I do have separate products for my body care, obviously, which I will be doing a separate video on. And if you're interested to see that, leave a comment below that you want to see that, and let me know what other videos you would like to see from me. I'm really happy I shared these products with you guys, because some of these products I slept on. I just want to emphasize that yes, Fenty Beauty is cute, Clinique is cute, you know, Estee Lauder is cute, but if you don't have the coins for it, you can't be walking around with bad skin. Do you get what I mean? So it's like, invest in the products that would do the best for your skin while still being budget friendly, while you work up the bank account to afford those other products. Do you get what I'm saying? So I believe everything here should be under 10k, which is crazy considering the fact that this is more or less almost a whole skincare, like, you know, routine type situation. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've tried any of this product, and if there are any products you want to try. I will leave a link to where you can purchase them as much as I can in the description, so you guys can get your hands on them as well. Obviously the prices there might vary, just because I bought this ones at the supermarket, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Twitter, and turn on your post notifications, and leave a comment down below of what you think of this video and what else you want to see from me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.